How to use Temu app for shopping. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now in this page, you're going to find different items. Head towards the item that you want to purchase. In the case you cannot find that item in this page, what you can do is at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the name of the product that you want to purchase and search for it. With that, item will appear. Once item appears, click on it. Now you have to select the details of the item, such as color and quantity. Once you select that, you can add this item to the cart. But if you're just going to purchase this item, you can click on buy now. But I'm going to purchase next item as well. Do the same for this item as well. Select the quantity and the color. Then you can click on add to cart. Once you are done with selecting the items, you can head towards the cart section. Just click on it. Now in this cart page, you're going to find all the items that you have selected for purchasing. After you check all the items, click on checkout. Once you are in the checkout page, first you have to provide your shipping address. Then select the shipping method. Then scroll down, select the payment method. Provide the details. If you have coupon code, click on this option of apply coupon code and then type in the code over here and click on apply. Now you can check all the details and click on submit order. With that, you have just ordered these items. So this way you can easily use Temu app for shopping. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.